Hey Isaac!
Yo bitch!
Hey, we're your new VPs. I'm Christina.
I'm Michaela.
And we have some team updates for you.
So, the FIT team is working on their bookkeeping as usual.
Yay! ICX has got 3 new members, and now we've got a really good balance between women and men. We saved our egg, and we're looking forward to kickoff.
Com is working on their recruitment for Global Citizen, and they have new team members since last weekend. Yeah, and we have the semester planner.
TM did their last interviews so that all our newies could go to a Nico.
OGIP has some new people too, and they had their first team meeting and a small team leader introduction.
And ER had 5 company meetings and raised at least 1 TM, maybe even more.
OGCDP, the team started their preparation for the next information evenings, which are coming soon.
Yay!